Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a glimpse of the news through the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates and lays foundation stones of several development projects in Maharashtra. Nehu Academic Council formally adopted to implement NEP 2020 for undergraduate courses. Nehusu stages protest demanding removal of Technical Officer Senior Consultant Rohit Prasad. And deliberations still on, and final report is awaited on Police Bazaar fire incident, says Minister in Charge Disaster Management Kirman Shilla. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated and laid the foundation stones of multiple development projects worth about 7,500 crore rupees at Shirdi in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. Modi launched the development work in sectors like health, rail, road and oil and gas. During the public program, the Prime Minister also launched the Namo Shetkari Mahasanman Nidhi Yojana that will benefit more than 86 lakh beneficiaries of the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana in Maharashtra by providing an additional amount of 6,000 rupees per year to them. The emergent meeting of the Nehu Academic Council AC today formally adopted to implement National Education Policy 2020 for its undergraduate courses from the academic session of 2023 to 2024. The members in the meeting have also suggested the need to extend the session of the first semester students since the question papers as per the NEP syllabus is yet to be set. Speaking to reporters after the meeting of the Academic Council, JAC Chairman Professor Lakhan Kumar said that they are moving ahead in implementing the NEP, taking into account the interests of the students and the colleges.
Tomorrow your kids may come and study here, particularly if you... In the interest of the student, in the interest of the colleges. So we have said that, fine, we move ahead now. But from today, since we have done the post facto approval, now we have put it on record that Academic Council, which met on this day, which is the 26th of October 2023, we have actually adopted or rather approved the implementation from this session 23-24. And that is our, I would say, a victory of a sort. We want an extension of the first semester, which should not end in November or December. We need to give time because after all, whatever we are giving to them, they should be able to digest it, and hence the teaching learning process got affected 3 months because of his fault, not our fault. Because he delayed the calling up of the emergent AC meeting. Otherwise, this could have been sorted out. We could have had exam right in the November result.
The members of the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union, NEHUSU, today held a protest march demanding the removal of Technical Officer Senior Consultant Rohit Prasad, who they alleged was appointed by Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla illegally. The protest march, which began from the Central Library, culminates outside the premises of the Vice-Chancellor's office. The students also shouted slogans to condemn the Vice-Chancellor on this illegal appointment.
He came to put up this app on the Google.
Minister in charge of Disaster Management Kirman Shilla today informed that the department had a meeting with the Chief Minister right after the fire incident at Thana Road Police Bazaar in Shillong. Briefing the media persons, Shilla highlighted on the steps taken by the government to ensure such incidents do not happen in the city. He also informed that all the concerned departments have shared their requirements and what needs to be done in the future. However, the minister did not delve into the amount of financial loss incurred in the fire incident and if the government will provide any compensation to the affected families, while he stated that deliberations are still on and a final report is awaited.
There we have taken a few steps in decision that one needs to go ahead. So for this, the preparation has been prepared from all the department concerned, either from the PWD or either from disaster management or the fire station. They have shared their requirements, and then they even the what needs to be done for the state, that also has been proposed, I mean, directed by the chief minister on that meeting. So exactly now, what is the status? I don't have it with me, but the work is going on and the preparation has been, is going on as of now.
The project director of DRDA Ribhoi District, Raja Brahma, today laid the foundation stone of Ribhoi Dorbar Hall at Nongtmai Umsning in Ribhoi District. The Ribhoi Dorbar Hall will be constructed under MPLAD at the estimated amount of Rs 10 lakhs. The construction of the Ribhoi Dorbar Hall is set to be completed within 3 months' time. The program was also attended by the Block Development Officer of Umsning, CNRD Block, Elingdo and others.
It's a symbol of, love, a symbol of development for the people of Ribhoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ribhoi Darbar, we and myself, PD from the district administration, on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and in coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well.
Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla today inaugurated the Jowai Municipal Boat water tanker, conservancy trucks, organic waste converters, composting machines, and boiling machine at a function held at the JMB office campus in Kimusniang, Jowai. Addressing the function, Shilla thanked the officers who put in a lot of effort to achieve these goals after years of criticism on the waste management system in Jowai. He also congratulated the board for the award of recognition and 2 staff members who were awarded by the state government at the recent Swachh Bharat Mission Urban for their participation in the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign this year.
Dangkat ni idang perchangi ule na Jowai Municipal Board. But nga kwa kanay pi in future lada em kiwan ki wa kwa uwan chikmat ule ye ni kam I welcome ni ba kam man hey ta hu plik daman go kam na gobi na galat kamay gatu ka chnon go chinti gatu ka employee gi group.
And now the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 20.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 12.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 79% and it has risen to 85% in the evening. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. And now a short recap. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates and lays foundation stones of several development projects in Maharashtra. Nehu Academic Council formally adopted to implement NEP 2020 for undergraduate courses. Nehu Su stages protest demanding removal of Technical Officer Senior Consultant Rohit Prasad. And deliberations still on, and final report is awaited on Police Bazaar fire incident, says Minister in charge Disaster Management Kirman Shilla. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.